Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your laptop meets minimum specs and you have the app installed. Once done, open Wallpaper Alive and sign into your account. This authenticates licenses and cloud sync. Next, grant necessary permissions, file access for custom media, and auto start if you want the wallpaper to load on boot. You should also close interfering apps that use GPU heavily. Now that core access is granted, move to importing or selecting a live wallpaper so you can configure it next. You now import or choose a wallpaper from the library, selecting a resolution that matches your display. 1920x 1080 is a good baseline. Once loaded, make sure to set the performance profile. Choose battery saver for laptops on the go, balanced for everyday use, or high performance for animations that need smooth 60 FPS. Then tweak playback options, loop behavior, audio volume, playback speed, and an FPS cap to reduce CPU/GPU load. Finally, position the wallpaper across monitors and preview before applying system-wide. You finish by applying the wallpaper and testing transitions as you open apps and a game. This confirms it behaves under load. If you encounter stutter or higher battery drain, reduce the FPS cap, pick the balanced or battery saver profile, and make sure your GPU drivers are up to date. Drivers often fix performance issues. If the app crashes or refuses to load media, reset settings or reinstall the app. Make sure to back up any custom configurations before wiping to avoid losing presets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.